This will help you get slightly better mileage. Number 3, you need to adjust the tappet clearance of the valve. For a perfect adjustment, use a feeler gauge and set it to the specified clearance according to the service manual. Number 4, you need to set the idle RPM. Usually it should be between 1,200 and 1,500 RPM. Number 5, check the oil line for any leaks or cracks. Number 6, clean the air filter. If the air filter is made of foam, clean it thoroughly with kerosene, then apply a bit of new engine oil to your palm and rub it onto the air filter. If it's a paper air filter, leave it in the sun for a while. Then use an air compressor gun to blow air from the opposite side of the filter at a slight distance to clean it. If you ride the motorcycle for 10,000 to 12,000 kilometers with a paper air filter, it's best to replace the air filter after that.